Hi, my name is Moritz Plenk. I'm the responsible manager for our IT outsourcing for regulatory reporting called RegTech Factory at BearingPoint RegTech. What are the current challenges for the financial market participants in terms of regulatory reporting? First, lost focus. Financial institutions should focus on their core business processes, not on regulatory reporting. Second, we see that the cost for regulation is rising and rising. And third, many more market participants are nowadays questioning if all this regulation really fulfills its purpose. So what you see in the market is trying and attempts to industrialize, to standardize processes, and also to virtualize. So more and more of our clients ask us how to use cloud for bringing down costs for regulatory reporting. So all these attempts are definitely the right ones, but why does the market not really manage to find solutions out of these costs? This is why we introduced the RegTech Factory to really work together as all market participants in utility solutions. BearingPoint is the ideal partner to deliver factory solutions. Within our service offering RegTech Factory, we are combining our software product Abacus 360 with our existing IT outsourcing offering managed services. Our software Abacus 360 is widely used by financial institutions and regulators covering regulations globally. Within our operations business or managed service, as we say, we deliver IT outsourcing for regulatory reporting solutions since 15 years for more than 70 institutions already. So this is heavily based on service level agreements with very transparent IT costs, and which is also compliant to all existing European outsourcing regulations. We want to incentivize markets if they are able to work together within utility solutions. And we believe that due to the usage of as well public cloud services, we can bring down costs for regulatory reporting by more than 50%. So we encourage you to get in contact with us to elaborate together with you how such a factory for your institution could look like and how this could bring down your cost for regulatory reporting and compliance.